Hello everyone, this is Mehan. Today video I will like show you how to wrap text like this in Microsoft Word. You can see it auto adjusts when you move your picture right here. Okay, let's start. Okay, first of all, let me generate some text. So we can type run and press enter, and then you got your text right here. Okay, so let me insert a picture. You can use any pictures. Here use stock image photo. You can choose any picture you want. For example, this one. It's big like this. Let me make it small. So you can see when you move to somewhere, it's split and make it like a big letter. So let's make it wrapping. You can move along. So just click your picture format, and then you have wrap text right here. So you can choose square, tie, or through. I usually use tie. You can choose along which one that you like. Okay. One more as a bonus, you can use shape. Okay, this is pretty much the same. For example, you want hand and draw it, and then shape format, and then wrap text. For example, this time I use through, so you can see it will go along. Okay, hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, let me know in comment. See you next time.